Come on, pal. Come on. Very best to look out there, yeah?
On to the store, have a chat.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
Hello.
Hi, what's your name?
My name's Reuben Gray.
And where are you from?
I'm from Guildford.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Reuben.
Nice to meet you too. My name's Reuben. I'm 16 and I'm a singer-songwriter. I'm currently doing my GCSEs at school. They're really hard. I live with my mum, dad, twin sister, my little brother and my big sister. I started playing piano when I was 7 and then writing songs when I was 10. My biggest fans will be my dad. He's heard the song that I'm going to sing. And he says he likes it. That's because he's my dad.
I belong, you belong.
He's away working, so can't be here today. I don't feel like it's right without him being here.
He'll be rooting for you from afar.
He used to be in the army and he did multiple tours of Afghanistan and Iraq, and now he works in the same sorts of places doing security for pipelines. He only comes back 3 months of the year. I'm really close to him. The first thing I'm going to do, if I do well, I'm just going to give him a call.
Who are you here with?
I'm with my mum and my girlfriend.
Quite a few. And who's your biggest fan? Who's your biggest supporter?
My dad, definitely.
Is he?
Yeah.
What, more than your mum?
Yes, I am.
I didn't think he was here.
You didn't know he was here?
I thought he was working.
Oh, he's gone to bits now.
He works away from home a lot, and whenever I play anywhere, he'll always come.
Oh, he's surprised. He surprised him.
All right, Reuben. Well, look, it's now a family occasion. Now, tell me what you're going to sing.
I'm going to sing my own song called Lifeline. I wrote it about a year ago, and it's about my girlfriend I didn't really treat right. And it's an apology, really.
Wow.
So, did you dump her?
Simon!
No.
I don't know.
No, she dumped me.
OK, so you got her back, and this song is to her.
This song's to her.
Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Why so?
I didn't mean to bruise your heart. I'm so sorry it drove us this far apart. Drowning in a sea full of tears. I thought we could have lasted for years, and I still do wanna live my life with you. And so throw me a lifeline, baby. Say that I'm really sorry. Pick up the phone and show me you really want me. Hold me, love me, need me. I don't wanna make this climb. People change and I can try. Expectations I will defy. Girl, I'm begging on my knees. Come on, baby, please. So throw me a lifeline, baby. Say that I'm really sorry. Pick up the phone and show me you really want me. Hold me, love me, need
feet.
Thank you.
Good for you.
Thank you very much.
OK, David.
What a talented young man you are. I mean, incredible to write such a beautiful song at your tender age, to sing it so beautifully. And it was incredible.
Well done, pal.
Ruben, I have so much admiration for you. You know, you're up there, you're bearing your heart and soul, and that makes you really vulnerable, and you've shared a piece of, you know, your life story with us. I'm sure your dad was proud. Well done.
That was a great audition, Ruben. You come on and be authentic, be original, take risks. I really, really like the song. You've got talent, you really have.
Thank you very much.
Right, we're going to vote. David.
I'm going to say yes.
Thank you very much.
It's a yes from me, Ruben.
I really loved the song.
Thanks.
Definitely yes from me.
Thank you.
Guess what, Ruben? You've got 4 yeses. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Good lad. Good.
Good dad.
Oh.
Nailed it.
Congratulations, guys. Well done.
How are you? Good, all right. Good, good, good. Come over here.
He's great.
It's really
People
cool.
are going to remember him.
What an audition. Congratulations. Well done, well done.
And you were
Really
a bit of a
brilliant.
surprise. You surprised us all.
I didn't even know you were here.
I'm his #1 fan, so I couldn't miss it, could I?